Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be trying out the hair paint wax in the color orange. I used it last week just to see if I like it, but turns out I did like it, so I'm gonna film it. I'll be using just one product to do this, the Doux texture foam. And you guys, I'm doing it twist by twist because, well, I don't really have a reason why. I just wanted to do it twist by twist. I'm finally done. So let me just say, this might turn out to be a fail because I think I used too much of the hair paint wax, because look what I have left. It was like here and now it's there. I used too much, so I won't be surprised if this turns out to be a fail tomorrow. Fingers crossed it doesn't turn out to be a fail. Oh, I look cute with orange hair, you know. How cute. How cute. So I'm gonna let this dry and I'm gonna unravel it tomorrow. I'm gonna let it dry before I put my scarf. Yeah. Okay guys, so this is the next day. And my twists are really dry, extremely dry and very crunchy. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's really crunchy. So let's take this down now. I'm gonna add some oil. I've already unraveled this side about 3, maybe 4, 5 times. Finally done unraveling all my twists. I'm gonna pick it out. Not much. So I'm done. I went off camera to add some gel. I just pull back the sides a little, and yeah, I'm done. I am done. So if you guys wondering if you should get this product, I think you should try it out. So yeah, let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up, subscribe, share, tell a friend. Y'all, I like it. I love it. I love it. I'm probably gonna wash this out right after I end the video because there's orange dust everywhere. You see? Orange dust. But yeah, I look cute. Anyways, so guys, the video has come to an end. I will see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.